Last week, we just ended our Season 1, a series of Lukban cuisine composed of 21 contents with 21 recipes that I've learned when I was growing up in Lukban, Quezon. I have shared in this channel the 21 delicious Filipino food recipes, and I am grateful to you guys for subscribing and watching my videos. Our Season 2 will soon be started. The concept of this series is to come up with a dish and recipe using my garden vegetables and fruits from my backyard. And I will title this Season number 2, From Backyard to Kitchen. In this series of videos, I am going to share with you how I grow my vegetable garden from my backyard and how I cook them in my kitchen. I created this list of veggies I am planning to plant in my backyard, and I will cook dishes out of these ingredients. I could make a cocktail or beverages, appetizer, main dish, or dessert. Got it? This season will end until I run out of veggies and fruits for my backyard. I can't wait to get started, but of course, I need to plant them first. Let's start from the beginning, the germination of seeds. Hey guys, welcome to For Lit Sky. We are here once again in our backyard. Today we're going to germinate the seeds that we just bought from the nursery and the existing seeds in my file. I also bought these 2 inches square biodegradable pots with a total of 50 cells. Good enough for me to germinate multiple varieties of vegetables that we love. But first, let me show you my index card container. I have this container for over 20 years now. This is where I store and file my index cards where I wrote ideas that pop up randomly, my recipes, and my clients so I can reference them later. However, I have filed them somewhere and now I am using this container to file my seeds collection. I organized them alphabetically based on their kind, as the first pile is all herbs: basil, cilantro, onion bunching, curly parsley, and spearmint. The second pile is all vegetables: Spanish musica beans, blue lake beans, bell pepper, broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, sweet corn, cucumber, and zucchini. And the third file is for the flowers, but right now I have only one kind, which is the poppy seed. Okay, so let's prepare the container and the soil so we can plant the seeds. Here are the containers. We have a total of 50 cells. The kit comes with this tray. We put them in the tray together to keep them intact. Let's prepare our soil. I have a pre-mixed soil here already, and I need to make sure that this one will be fertilized. Also, the kit comes with plant vitamins as a fertilizer. The instruction is to dilute this packet into a gallon of water and mix the diluted vitamins to the soil and mix them thoroughly. Mix the soil. After mixing, you should have this result, a very moist soil. Now let's put them in the pots. As you can see, I work with 2 trays at a time, so I won't be confused about labeling. I started with 2 rows of green beans, label them, then the sweet corns, then label. After that, then cauliflowers on the next row, and then label it again. Then position them on the plastic tray. Then I start working with the next 2 sets of containers by repeating the process. However, in these containers, I planted different varieties of veggies. Okay, let's go inside the house, and here's another favorite of mine, which is the sweet potato. I have been looking for a small sweet potato sprout or small plants, but I have no luck. So I tried to germinate from sweet potato that we bought from the store. Let's see what's going to happen. The way to grow lots of sweet potato slip is by submerging the sweet potato in a cup full of water. The slips will grow fast and develop roots. You must place the pointy side of the sweet potato up and the blunt side down in the water. Approximately after 4 to 8 weeks, sweet potatoes will grow lots of slips with very healthy roots. These slips can then be broken off and planted in the garden to grow sweet potatoes. Make sure to change the water every 3 days. It has been a week now, and let's go back to our backyard and check this out. I see some sprout from the seeds. Now it is 3 weeks later since I planted the seeds, but I can say I have only 50% success with my germination. Think because first, some of the seeds are too old and been sitting for my files for years. Second, I left this outside with still below 50 degrees Fahrenheit at night. And third, I leave them open in the morning in the backyard and maybe the birds took some of the seeds away. Please comment down below what do you think happened here. For the 50% successful germination, I was able to transfer them in bigger nursery pots and soon to be transferred to our raised bed garden. But for the other 50%, we decided to buy nursery plants to replace the missing 50% because we're getting late for planting season. Next time, I'll show you how to plant and grow these vegetables to the fabric raised bed garden and hoping to have plenty of harvest to incorporate into my cooking. And that's for today, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and smash the like button. Be safe, be strong, and be positive. Thanks for watching the 4th Sky, and see you next time.